Hi, welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest technologies and innovative ideas that can transform your business and individuals. Today, we will talk about AI-based Microsoft 365 Dynamics. It is an incredible suite of business applications designed to streamline operations and make your productivity fast and smooth. Let's get started without wasting your time. Microsoft 365 Dynamics is a comprehensive suite of AI-based business applications that help you manage different aspects of your company, including sales, marketing, service, supply chain, and operations, etc. It's an all-in-one solution that integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft tools like Office 365 and Azure. Now let's explore some of the key applications within Microsoft 365 Dynamics and see how they can revolutionize the various departments in the business. For sales, it can reply automatically to inquiries and can offer discounts to your customers. It can make the proposal automated and can address the concern to a specific email. For marketing, it can automatically create campaigns for you and run it. Microsoft 365 Dynamics has the power of real-time analytics and reporting where you will see all the figures based on your business activities. Microsoft 365 Dynamics has various features like collaboration tools, finance and operation management, supply chain and manufacturing management that helps to make data-driven decisions quickly and accurately, and also helps to optimize resource utilization. This was all about Microsoft 365 Dynamics, and there are a few features that will be released from Microsoft soon.